Hi, I'm Philip and I'm a videographer. I switched from Microsoft Excel to Google Sheets, and for more information, click the link below. Google Sheets solves the problem of collaboration with other people, and it's great because it works in real time. You can collaborate in real time. That's a thing that I was not able to do with Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel solves the problem of privacy and also creating really elaborate graphs and presentation documents. So they both have their pluses. Google Sheets is best for collaboration. I use this thing every time I get together with on a spreadsheet with other people. And what's really great about it is that in real time, you can update, you can change the what's in each individual field, change all sorts of things. You can do it, and then the person you're working with can also do it, and you see it happen right away. I mean, that is just fantastic. Microsoft Excel, I feel, has a better feature set and it's more elaborate, especially if you want to make presentations with your documents. Plus, I feel that the privacy that you get by working on your own device is is far better than worrying about it being in the cloud and possibly getting hacked. I feel like I don't have any worries with that. But if I do want to have it in the cloud, Microsoft does offer a product that works for storing documents in the cloud. I've never used it to collaborate, and I don't think I want to. I would use something else for that. There is a learning curve with either product, but it's not really difficult, and there's so many people who use these both Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel that finding help is really easy. And I found that you can just pretty much get into it, and if you have the more you do it, the more complex things you can do with it. So the very simple stuff is basic as can be, and getting started is really easy. Plus there's really no limit to to how far you can develop your skill with either of those products. The top considerations when looking for a spreadsheet software is cost, which Google Docs has it in spades because it doesn't cost anything and you can collaborate on it with anybody. If you want to have so that would be number one. Number two is, what are you using it for? Are you going to be creating documents that you want to present to people, like in a slideshow or something like that? Then you definitely would want to go with Excel, in my opinion.